Installing a pre-built media wall from Evolution Fires is quick and easy and can be installed in under 1 hour. Your media wall will arrive in 2 sections: the base, which includes the electric fire, and the top section. The first step is to unpack the base by carefully cutting away the packing. Remove the box, which contains the touchscreen panel. Next, remove all the packing. Inside one square box, you will find your fuel bed, logs, and crystals. The other box will contain the fitting kit. Move the base close to the wall and plug in the electric fire, then place the base flush against the wall. Now we'll work on the top section, carefully cutting away the packing. Screwed to the top section, you will find the cleat and 2 side batons. Remove all the pieces. The cleat will show a millimeter measurement, which is used for installation. Using the measurement shown on the cleat, measure up from the left side tile and mark the wall. Repeat this process from the right side. Use a straight edge to join the 2 measurements. Find the center of the fire, and using a level, mark a vertical line up to the horizontal line. The cleat will be marked at the center point. Pair up both marks and fix the cleat to the wall using the supplied fitting kit. For demonstration purposes, we have built a wall which doesn't require wall plugs. The wall plugs within the fitting kit is suitable for brick or plasterboard walls. We recommend trying to hit at least 2 studs. Lift up the top section and hang it onto the cleat, making sure it is central. Place the side batons against the top section and make marks on the top and bottom. Also draw a line running down the sides. Remove the top section and measure 1 inch in from the lines. This is where the side batons will be fixed using the supplied wall plugs. Run a bead of glue along the top cleat using the instant nails supplied in the fitting kit and fit the top section. Pre-drill 2 holes on each side and countersink. Push firmly back and screw through the sides into the batons using the 70mm screws. Above each side panel on the base, you will find 16 pre-drilled holes on each side. Using the 16mm screws supplied in the fitting kit, fix the bottom section to the top by screwing up. 16 screws on each side may vary depending on the model you have chosen. Now the media wall is installed. Let's lay out the fuel bed. Start by spreading out the small crystals and place the log set or large crystals on the top. The final step is to install the touchscreen panel. Carefully unpack the panel. Remove the 4 small screws which are pre-fitted into the fireplace. Place the panel into the bottom tray and push back until the 4 tabs line up with the 4 screw holes, and refit the screws. There you go! It couldn't be any easier! A beautiful media wall installed in under 1 hour. Switch it on, sit back, and relax. If you have any questions, please contact our customer support team at support@evolutionfires.com.